Welcome. We're here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775 extension 400 buyer incentive. Crawford Construction presents the REIT floor plan in Willow Oak Village. This wonderful two-story home offers 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. The home has 1 bedroom downstairs, while the owner's suite and 2 other bedrooms are upstairs. The laundry room is also located upstairs as well for added convenience. The home has both a covered front and rear porch, lawn sprinklers front, side, and rear. This home is nestled in a beautiful community central to Fort Gordon and shopping. Upgraded with Interlogix Smart Home security system. Fiber is